Ever wondered what tools the pros reach for when navigating the wild world of trading? You see those sleek charts and insightful analyses plastered across financial news and social media. Ever stop to think where they come from? Well, you're in the right place because today we're diving deep into whether professional traders actually use TradingView. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's paint a picture. Imagine a seasoned trader, years of experience under their belt, managing significant portfolios. They need real-time data, powerful charting tools, and the ability to execute trades seamlessly. Their decisions impact not just their own wealth, but often that of institutions and individuals. So, the tools they use aren't just a matter of preference, they're crucial for accuracy and efficiency. TradingView has exploded in popularity over the last few years, and for good reason. It boasts an intuitive interface, a vast array of technical indicators, and a vibrant social community. You can find everything from basic moving averages to complex custom scripts. The platform supports multiple asset classes, from stocks and forex to cryptocurrencies and commodities. It's accessible on various devices, making it convenient for traders on the go. But does this accessibility and user-friendliness translate to professional adoption? The answer, in short, is a resounding yes, but with nuances. Many professional traders and institutions do indeed utilize TradingView. Its advanced charting capabilities allow for detailed technical analysis, crucial for identifying trends and potential trading opportunities. The platform's PineScript language enables the creation and customization of unique indicators and trading strategies, a powerful feature for those with specific analytical needs. Furthermore, the real-time data feeds and robust charting packages offered by TradingView are often comparable to, and sometimes even surpass, those of traditional brokerage platforms. This makes it an invaluable tool for market monitoring and analysis, even if trade execution happens on a separate system. The collaborative aspect of TradingView, with its public charts and social networking features, might seem less relevant to institutional traders operating under strict confidentiality. However, even within professional circles, the ability to quickly share and discuss charts internally can be beneficial for team-based analysis. Moreover, the platform serves as a valuable resource for staying abreast of broader market sentiment and identifying potential areas of interest. However, it's important to understand that professional trading often involves a suite of specialized tools. High-frequency traders, for example, might rely on ultra-low latency platforms directly connected to exchanges. Large institutions may have proprietary systems tailored to their specific strategies and risk management protocols. For these entities, TradingView might not be the primary execution platform. Instead, it often serves as a powerful analytical and visualization tool that complements their existing infrastructure. They might use TradingView to generate trading ideas, backtest strategies, or monitor market conditions before executing trades on their dedicated systems. Think of it like a master chef. They have access to professional-grade ovens and sophisticated kitchen equipment, but they might still use a well-designed consumer-grade knife for certain tasks because it's sharp, reliable, and gets the job done efficiently. TradingView, for many professionals, is that reliable and efficient knife in their trading toolkit. The platform's continuous development and integration of new features also contribute to its appeal among professionals. The availability of economic calendars, news feeds, and the ability to connect to certain brokers for direct trading further enhance its utility. So, while it might not be the sole platform used by every single professional trader, TradingView has firmly established itself as a valuable and widely adopted tool within the professional trading landscape. Its powerful charting, analytical capabilities, and accessibility make it an indispensable asset for many navigating the complexities of the financial markets. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.